normal.
I want to start letting them in. Letting them in. Right on.
Good morning. Please mute
Good
your
morning.
phone.
Good morning.
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, or hoodies, no interrupting the judge while the judge is speaking. When the judge wants you to speak, he will prompt you. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Buenos días a todos y bienvenidos a la sala del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras estemos en sesión, le pedimos por favor que no estén ni manejando, ni comiendo, ni tomando, ni fumando. Pedimos que estén vestidos adecuadamente y apropiadamente, como que si estuvieran en persona en la corte. Quítense alguna gorra, cachucha, no tengan la cabeza tapada, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. También le pedimos que no estén ni recostados ni durmiendo. Vuelvo y repito, bienvenidos a todos.
Gracias. Gracias.
Thank you, thank
Good
you.
morning, everyone. What I'm going to do is try to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm trying to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días a todos. Voy a tratar de llamar los casos de la manera más rápida y eficiente posible. También voy a llamar los casos en el orden que se presentaron esta mañana.
All right, Ms. Williams-Law, are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, my name is Emma Hernandez, as CAO qualified Spanish interpreter number 15575.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner not before the court, not divulge confidential communications to help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we have some talking. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will interpret to the best of your ability from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Mrs. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's start. This is the city of Detroit versus Geronimo Contreras, case number SP 178777722. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Comenzamos con el caso del señor Jerónimo Contreras, caso número SP 178-77722. ¿Pudiera usted, por favor, decirnos su nombre?
Jerónimo Contreras.
Jerónimo Contreras.
According to you, sir, today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I'm happy to see that you went above and beyond those 12 hours of community service.
Buenos días a usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que yo le había ordenado a usted que cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario y con mucha alegría noto aquí que usted cumplió no tan solo a las 12, sino que hizo más de las 12.
And for that, we thank you, and I'm going to dismiss your case.
Y reconociendo eso, Señor, le damos las gracias y vamos a desestimar a su caso.
Okay.
Ok.
There's nothing further, sir. Wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Si no tiene algo que añadir, Señor, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte.
Gracias, muchas gracias.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
This is the City of Detroit versus Eunice Dean Boldo, case number SP 176-33951. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Is Mr. Gabolo there? I thought I saw him.
He's there. You got to unmute his
Mr.
mic.
Gabolo, can you unmute yourself? Start your camera. State your name, please.
Yes, my last name, Godbodo Junius.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for review. In lieu of fines and costs, you were allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that.
Thank you.
That should be blocking traffic. I don't know why it's not in there, right? I'm gonna write it down. For that, we're gonna correct the record and we're gonna close out the matter, okay? If there's nothing further, Mr. Gabolo, you have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm his daughter, and I wanted to know, we got a letter from the BDIC. He still has to take that, right, so that the points won't impose on his license?
No, we're gonna correct that. Put that down as a correction, please.
Okay, so he doesn't have to take that course?
No, that's gonna be corrected and sent to the Secretary of State.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is, have a great day, both of you.
Okay, thanks. Have a great day.
Okay. Okay, well, that's good, huh?
Miguel Lopez,
El señor Miguel López. Abra su micrófono.
Sí, soy yo. Buenos días.
It's me. Good morning.
good morning to you.
Buenos días, señor.
Buenos días.
Good
City of Detroit. This is Miguel Lopez, case number SP 175-25971. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, esta es la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Luis Miguel Clemente López, número de caso SP 175-25971. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Miguel Ángel Clemente López.
Miguel Ángel Clemente López.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we will dismiss your case.
Señor, buenos días. Veo aquí que se le había ordenado hacer 2 horas de servicio comunitario y veo que los ha hecho. Con eso, entonces vamos a desestimar su caso. Ya está todo listo. Se puede retirar.
Ok, muchísimas gracias.
Okay, thank you very, very much.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Edith Noel Martinez, case number SP 1644171. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Edis Noel Martínez, número de caso SP 1644-1171. Díganos su nombre, por favor, para que conste en el acta. Edis Noel Martínez.
Unmute yourself, sir.
Prenda su micrófono, señor.
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días a usted, señor. Díganos su nombre, por favor. Edis Noel Martínez.
Good morning. Today is the date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service.
Buenos días a usted. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. En vez de tener que pagar por costos y por multas, le dejamos saber a usted que podía hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out.
Veo aquí que usted completó esas 6 horas de servicio comunitario. Reconociendo eso, le queremos dar las gracias a usted y vamos a cerrar a su caso.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Que tengan muy buen día, señor.
Ok, igualmente.
Okay, same to you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Matthew Cody Mullins. Case numbers.
I'm here, Your Honor.
SP 177-4217, count 1, SP 177-44631. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please. I'm sorry.
Oh, Matthew Mullins.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do a combination of service to clear the matter up in order to do some community service to clear your matters up. 24 hours in total. You completed those 24 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close out SP 1167841 misdemeanor. SP 1488501, the civil infraction, we're going to close that out. SP 1774271, civil infraction, we're going to close that out. And SP 1774461, we're going to dismiss that misdemeanor. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, sir. The only thing I wanted to know is if they could mail me any documents stated this is dismissed because my address is no longer the address that was on file, and I wanted to be able to go get my license straightened out.
What is your updated address?
2331 Campbell Street, Campbell, Detroit, Michigan, 48209.
All right, you probably won't get anything in the mail, sir, but you can always go on the 3644 website and look it up, and it should be there. But anything that's down here in the computer will go straight to the Secretary of State. I don't see anything holding you up from getting a driver's license.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. I really appreciate you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, brother. Or sorry, sir. Your Honor, sorry.
City of Detroit versus Constantino Rubio, case number SP 178775532. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Constantino Rubio, número de caso SP 178-77-532. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Constantino Rubio.
Constantino Rubio.
All right, good morning to you, sir. You were in order to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case.
Buenos días, señor. Veo aquí que se le ordenó hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario y que usted ya los ha hecho. Por esa razón, su caso queda ya desestimado. Muchísimas gracias. Ya se puede retirar.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Que tenga un
Igualmente.
excelente día, señor. Same to you.
Right.
Se puede desconectar, señor Rubio.
Ok, gracias.
Disconnect, Mr. Rubio. Okay, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Emilion Pacheco Alvarez. Case number SP 181158551. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus
Oh, I'm sorry, miss.
Filomeno Pacheco Almaraz. Número de caso SP181151851. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the
That would be
defendant.
Mr. Hajazi, I'm sorry.
Este caso le pertenece al señor Hajazi, disculpe.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Rami Hajazi, P82830 on behalf of Philemon Pacheco.
Buenos días, su señoría. Soy el abogado, número de abogado P82830, representando al señor Filemón Pacheco.
Mr. Pacheco, can you state your name for the record, please?
Buenos días, usted, señor Pacheco, ¿nos pudiera decir su nombre completo, por favor?
Buenos días, mi nombre es Filemón Pacheco Almaraz.
Good morning, my name is Philemon Pacheco Almaraz.
All right, today is the date and time set for a arraignment, the purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Muy bien, esta es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la lectura de cargos. Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, ¿qué nos dice usted, abogado?
We would request a waiver of the arraignment.
Pedimos que sea una dispensación de la lectura de cargos.
And we would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf.
Y le pedimos a la corte que procese una declaración de no culpable para él.
I'll enter that not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 fine.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para él y darle una fianza de $0.
He can either take the offer of pleading as charged, 12 hours of community service, or he can fight the ticket and go to his alphabet judge.
Él tiene la opción de declararse culpable tal como ha sido acusado. Le pediríamos que haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario o puede decidir a ir con el otro juez que le tocaría a él, según el apellido de él.
We will dismiss upon completion of the 12 hours of community service.
Una vez que él haya completado las 12 horas de servicio comunitario, el caso quedaría desestimado.
Your Honor, at this time, can we just ask for a new pretrial date? That way I could have time to discuss it with my client.
Señoría, pedimos en este momento tiempo para que yo pueda hablar de este asunto con mi cliente.
I'll give you a pretrial date. Come back on next week on the. Won't be here. Come back on the 3rd of December.
Muy bien, así que regrese usted aquí para tener otra consulta previa al juicio el 3 de diciembre.
8:30
No
a.m.
problem.
A las 8:30 de la mañana. No hay problema.
If there's nothing further, both of you have a very good day and best of luck to you both.
Y si no tienen algo que añadir, entonces les deseamos a los dos buen día y buena suerte.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Ernesto Guerrero Alejandre, case number SP 1797-3541. Appearance for the record, this is Attorney El Sayed.
Buenos días, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Ernesto Guerrero Alejandre, número de caso SP 179-735-41. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Este es el caso del abogado El Fayette.
Good morning, Your Honor. Moses El Sayed, P number 81873, on behalf of the defendant who's appearing by Zoom.
Buenos días, su señoría. Mi nombre es El Sayed, Moisés El Sayed. Estoy representando al acusado. Mi número de abogado es 81873 y represento al señor que está aquí a mi derecha. Que está por Zoom.
Morning to you and your client. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Your client's offers to plead as charged. 12 hours of community service will dismiss of one completion.
Está bien, hoy es el día y la hora para la consulta previa al juicio. La oferta es 2 horas de servicio comunitario y el caso será desestimado después de que él las realice.
He has an absolute right to the trial.
Él tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio.
If he doesn't like the offer, we'll give him a trial date.
Y si él no está de acuerdo con la oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio.
Your Honor, would I be able to negotiate another offer with the prosecutor or no?
Su señoría, ¿yo podría negociar otro tipo de oferta o no?
You can talk to the prosecutor, but that's pretty much the standard offer. At least this allowing you can't, if you set a trial date, if you're found guilty on that date or take a plea, then you can get a money judgment.
Okay. Why don't we, if the court would allow me?
Thank you, Your Honor. Usted puede negociar con la fiscalía, tal vez pueda tener una enmienda del cargo original.
If the court would allow me to come back on another pretrial date next week, I'll talk to my client and we can go from there.
La corte me podría permitir venir la próxima semana para una continuación de otra consulta previa al juicio para que me dé mi tiempo de hablar con mi cliente y volver con una decisión ese día.
Do you want to come back on a community court date or a non-community court date?
Sorry, Your Honor, I couldn't hear you.
Does your client want to come back on a community court date or non-community court date?
Tu cliente quiere venir un día que sea día de corte comunitaria o en un día donde no sea corte comunitaria.
What are those court dates, Judge? The days?
¿Cuáles son las fechas, su señoría? Las fechas para cada uno.
The community court dates are Wednesdays, and any other date outside of that is a non-community court date.
Las horas o los días de corte comunitaria son los miércoles y para cualquier otro tipo de corte, cualquier otro día.
Let's do a non-community court date, Judge, if we may.
Su señoría, me gustaría, si se puede, un día que no sea corte comunitaria.
Well, we can come back Monday, November 24th.
November what?
November 24th, Monday.
Puede venir el lunes 24 de noviembre.
Your Honor, that works for me. Is that 9 a.m.?
Sí, su señoría, eso funciona para mí a las 9 de la mañana.
That's 8:30 a.m.
A las 8:30 de la mañana.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
Entendido, su señoría. Gracias.
All right, if there's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Si no tiene más nada que agregar, usted y su cliente que tengan muy buen día y la mejor de las suertes para los dos.
You as well, Judge. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Igualmente para usted, su señoría. Hasta luego.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Jose Manuel Moreno Almanza, case number SB 1146497, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1269595, SB 165277761, SB 17776722, SB 17776721, SB 1803038, counts 1, 2, and 3. 19527023, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, is he listed somewhere besides page 2?
No, he just has a lot of cases in warrants that.
Okay.
Does he need an interpreter, sir?
Señor, necesita José Manuel Moreno Almanza. ¿Necesita usted intérprete?
No, estoy bien.
No, I'm good.
Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Moreno.
My name is Jose Manuel Moreno Almanza.
Good morning to you.
For purposes of,
Go ahead.
for purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Moreno, you can either get an offer here or you can go to your alphabet judge. I'm going to give you time to speak to Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You have your pen ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
These are all except for what's on the docket. There's 3 on the docket. I'm going to give you all the ones that are not on the docket. License and property. No insurance misdemeanor. Unregistered, untitled. License and property.
What was that last, Your Honor?
License and property.
Okay.
No insurance misdemeanor. License and proper. License and proper. License and proper. An expired plate civil infraction. Including the cases that are on the record is 12 cases. I'll enter a not guilty plea, give them a $0 bond and recall the warrants. Mr. Moreno, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Sounds good, Your Honor.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Shanila Deneen Garrison. Case number SB 1180389, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1186044, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1193398, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1194223, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1272992, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 130, strike that. SB 1350131, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 5, strike that. SB 1501602. SB 1509683, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 756339. SB 1802163, counts 1, 2. SP 1820124, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1820143, 1. 213-98037, counts 1 and counts 2. 217-261821. Appearance for the record, please. Sarah.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant.
All right, good morning. State your name for the record, ma'am.
Danayla Garrison.
Let me start by saying this to you. If you continue to get behind the wheel of the car and you continue to kick it, you're gonna go to jail, okay? You understand that?
Yes, I have all my.
I don't want to hear it. You gotta speak to the attorney about it, okay?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Garrison, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Oh, no, arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And our not guilty plea on your client's behalf, I'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Garrison, Ms. Harris is going to try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Yep, right. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. License is valid, Ms. Harris.
Your Honor,
Yes.
where is Mr. Saqueo Chilel in the docket? I cannot find him.
Let's see. Ask him, does he have a case number? No.
Okay. Señor Saqueo Chilel.
Sí, soy yo.
Señor, ¿usted tiene un número de caso?
Nada más, me mandaron que tenía corte para esta fecha y la hora, las 8:30.
Sí, pero hay un número, tiene un número de caso.
Yo creo
Ticket,
ticket.
number. Sí, el número.
¿El ticket que da la policía o el que llega en el correo?
Sí.
Okay.
Cualquiera tiene que tener el número de ticket.
Yo creo que es el P.
¿Sí?
17.
Perdón, P. 17.
57.
Ajá.
51-9.
Ok, 1757519.
Yo creo que es esa. Bueno, es mi primera vez
Okay,
haciendo
thank
corte.
you. Gracias, señor Chilel.
Okay.
Your Honor, SP 1757519.
SP 1757519.
Yeah, that's what he believes.
I'm not coming up with anything.
Thank you, Your Honor. Gracias, señor Chilel. Puede poner su micrófono en silencio. Thank you,
Okay,
Mr. Chilel.
muchas
You
gracias.
put your microphone on silence again. Mira. Mira.
I don't see a Chilel.
No lo veo.
Cleo Chilel. SAQEOCHILEL. I don't see anything open. I don't see anything under that name at all.
No encontramos nada bajo ese nombre.
And the case number is not coming up.
Yeah, thank you, Your Honor. No encontramos nada bajo ese nombre, señor Chilel, y ese número, bajo ese número de caso tampoco. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you for looking ahead.
Perdón.
I'm sorry.
I don't see anything in here under your name, sir.
Señor, no encontramos nada aquí bajo su nombre o bajo ese número de caso.
Pero si yo tengo una corte a esta fecha.
I have a court date today.
I don't see it, so I don't know how we can help you if you give us a correct case number.
Señor, yo no lo veo, no sé cómo ayudarlo si no tengo el número correcto de caso. Repítame otra vez el número de caso, señor, por favor. Repeat again the case number, will you please?
Okay.
El ticket number, número de ticket.
A menos que di falso, o sea, di algo, o sea, no lo di
Señor,
bien, creo.
dígamelo, repítamelo, por favor.
Okay. Es el P.
¿Sí?
1798-54-2, yo creo que es esa.
Este es otro número. Okay, he gave me another number, Your Honor. SP 1798542.
Mendez Chilel.
You got it?
Yes. I'm gonna see.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
¿Puedo hablar?
May I say something?
The 26th, he needs to come back next week.
Señor, tiene que es para el 26, tiene que regresar la semana que viene.
Pero si aquí dice que es para hoy al 19 de este mes a las 8:30.
In my paper said that is the 19th of this month at 8:30.
All right, the computer says differently. Your file is not up here. It'll be up here next week on the 26th.
Señor, la computadora dice otra cosa, dice aquí que usted está para el día 26. Yo no tengo su expediente aquí.
Puedo esperar y como esto cuenta es mi primera vez y no tengo experiencia en esto, pero puedo esperar y hablar con alguien que sí, que me hizo el favor de ayudarme, nomás que él no está ahorita aquí, pero puedo y que me explique cómo está esto.
Ya se le explicó el juez. Okay, this is my first time. I don't have experience in this. May I please talk to somebody here that can explain me how is this working?
You're talking to him. I'm trying to tell you, your court date is next week on the 26th.
Señor, usted está hablando conmigo. Él está hablando el juez. Y yo le estoy diciendo que su caso va a ser oído el día 26.
No, pues, ¿me puede decir la hora, por favor, de 26?
At what time? On the 26th?
At 8:30.
A las 8:30, señor.
Está bien. Y por si tengo alguna duda, ¿dónde me puedo comunicar?
Okay, but if I have any doubt, where can I call?
You're talking, you don't, there's no doubt. I'm telling you that your case is the 26th of November at 8:30. Just come, zoom back to the same Zoom number on that day.
Señor, no hay ninguna equivocación ni forma de equivocarse. Yo le estoy diciendo que su fecha para comparecer, volverse a conectar es el 26 de noviembre a las 8:30 de la mañana. Va a ser conmigo en el mismo tribunal, el mismo juez y con el mismo número de conexión en Zoom que utilizó en el día de hoy.
Oh, ok, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, lo siento,
I'm so sorry.
That's all right, have a great day.
Ok, estaré presente esa fecha.
Okay, que tenga un muy buen día. Yes, I will, be aware of that date.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much. Gracias, señor. Se puede desconectar.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Ms. Harris. Mrs. Harris.
Questions. One, could someone from Street Outreach Court come in?
I've already reached out to Street Outreach Court. She does have a valid driver's license.
Okay. And if a person may be moving out of state, is community court still an option if they may not be able to get it done before they move?
Well, probably not if they can't do the community service.
I don't know if it will be able to be done before December 1st is my concern.
Well, if she's going to Street Outreach, then they would take care of her there without, she may be able to get all of them waived, fines and costs waived if she gets through the program or however they work over there.
Okay. I will wait for someone to speak with her.
All right. Do you want to put her in another breakout room or do you want to just go to another breakout room?
I can go to a different breakout room.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Emmanuel Jimenez, case number SP 181102221. Appearance for the please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Emmanuel Jiménez, número de caso SP 18110221. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Emmanuel Jiménez.
Emmanuel Jiménez.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Jimenez.
Y soy Cherika Harris representando al señor Emanuel Jiménez.
And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Y para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
Good morning to you, sir. Except for arraignment, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond.
Buenos días a usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener su lectura de cargos. Yo voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0.
Está bien.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yo lo voy a pasar a usted a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con la abogada Harris. Ella le va a dejar saber a usted cuál es la oferta de resolución actualizada. Pero tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted siempre tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Pase y acepte donde dice join o unirse a la sala privada de consulta. Join o unirse, donde dice en la pantalla.
All right, pass the matter. Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Moreno. Mr. Moreno, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the failure to stop at a stop sign and to allowing for one of the improper license charges off docket and the remaining matters to be dismissed. And he stands ready to do community service.
Now, they're saying that they're gonna dismiss all of these cases and pleading to just 3 cases?
2 cases, Your Honor. Failure to stop at a stop sign and one of the improper license charges. And the remaining matters.
You went over to the city of Detroit and mentioned that he had all these other allegations out here?
I certainly did, Your Honor.
I don't understand it. All right. Do you want to take the deal, sir?
I sure do, Your Honor.
I guess you would.
No, I sure do.
I said, I guess you would.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He has a warrant out for his arrest in front of Judge Bryant as well. Security failure to warrant to you. Raise your right hand.
I think your email keeps going so bad.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor. Excuse me, Your Honor, I'm having a hard time to hear you. A lot of other people talking.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berryworld, you have advice or rights to breakout room, do you not?
Can you repeat that again, Your Honor?
I said, Mr. Berryworld, your other advice or rights in the breakout room, do you not?
No, yeah, he did.
Did Mr. Berry go over your other rights in the breakout room, sir?
Yes, he did.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Berry, let your client know if I accept this deal, he's gonna do extra community service hours to clear up all of these civil infractions as well.
There will be additional hours of Mr. Moreno in addition to what I informed you of in the courtroom. Okay?
Sounds good.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to October 4th, 2025 at around 1:55 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodmere and Pearl Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
Couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
Because I have my license.
You don't have a license, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, I don't have a license.
All right. I'll find him guilty of the amended count of allowing stipulates the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Did you run that stop sign, sir?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
I'll find him responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. All right, that'll be in lieu of fines and cost 6 hours of community service for the blocking traffic. And it's going to be an additional $30 of community service for the other matters for a total of 48 hours of community service. We'll clear everything up.
Your Honor.
Yeah, do you have the number to Mr. Phillips? Community Service Coordinator?
What was that again, Your Honor?
Get the number to Southwest Detroit Community Justice Smith Center?
No, I don't.
The number is 313-879-2155. 313-879-2155.
I got it, Your Honor.
All right. I need a good phone number from you.
A good phone number for me will be 313-676-0367.
All right. I need you to call Mr. Phillips this afternoon to set the hours up. I'm going to give you until December 17th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll close the matters out. If they're not, then we need to see you on December 17th. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Pablo No Funes Cabrero, case number SP 1802631. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1802631. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, State your
Este es
full
el
name.
caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Pablo Funes Caballero, número de caso SP-180-26331, SP-180-26311, 312, 313. Por favor, digan su comparecencia para que consten en el acta. Woodbury Jr. representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Buenos días, Pablo Noé Funes Caballero.
Good morning, Pablo Funes Caballero.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargo, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Nunez, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Nunez. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Señor Funes Caballero, lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada acá en donde su abogado le va a dar una oferta por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con dicha oferta, tiene todo el derecho a ir a juicio. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada.
Estoy de acuerdo, señor juez.
Oh, yes, I agree, Your Honor. Por favor, vaya a la... Acepte la invitación.
All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Emmanuel Nunez. Mr. Nunez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. It's my understanding he wants to go to his alphabet judge.
Vamos a pasar ese caso y regresamos ahora con el caso del señor Emanuel Jiménez Núñez. Señor Jiménez Núñez, yo le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada. Tengo entendido que él quiere pasar a estar frente al juez que le toca según el apellido de él.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Eso es correcto, su señoría.
All right, Mr. Nunez, I'm gonna send you to your alphabet judge, which is Judge Larry Williams.
Así que, señor Núñez, sépase que lo vamos a pasar ahora para que se presente ante el juez Larry Williams.
His Zoom ID is 360-332-0000.
Sépase que el número de ID de Zoom, de identificación para la plataforma de Zoom es este. Apúntelo, por favor. 360-332-0000.
And your next court date is going to be December the 10th at 8:35. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Y usted no va a comparecer hoy con él, sino el 10 de diciembre. Regrese aquí con ese número que le dimos el 10 de diciembre a las 8:35 de la mañana. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos mucha suerte y buen día.
Disculpe, ¿Manuel Jiménez o Manuel Jiménez Núñez?
Excuse me, are you speaking to Emmanuel Jiménez Núñez or Emmanuel Jiménez?
I have Emmanuel Jiménez.
Yo tengo aquí a Manuel Jiménez. Estamos hablando de Manuel Jiménez.
Ok, entonces, ¿me puede repetir el número del...?
Okay, so could you repeat that number?
The Zoom ID is 360-332-0000.
Y el número para que se pueda presentar por la plataforma de Zoom es 360-332-0000.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
¿Cuándo va a ser, perdón?
And when will that date be? Excuse me for asking.
December the 10th.
El 10 de diciembre.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's
¿A qué hora?
And at
Hola, disculpa. Habla Rogelio Pacheco.
Hello, and excuse me, the person speaking is Rogelio Pacheco.
All right, I'm not speaking to you right now, Mr. Pacheco.
El señor Pacheco, en este momento no le estamos hablando a usted.
Do you have any other questions, Mr. Jimenez?
Señor Jiménez, ¿tiene usted alguna otra pregunta?
¿A qué horas va a ser?
What time would that hearing be?
8:35.
A las 8:35, a las 8:35 de la mañana.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Que tenga usted muy buen día y buena suerte usted.
Igual, gracias.
Wishing you the same. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Antonio Jimenez Rodriguez. Case number U72255-425. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Juan Antonio Jiménez Rodríguez. Número de caso U722-55425. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Sherika Harris, representando al acusado. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Juan Jimenez Rodriguez. Unmute yourself, your camera, and state your name, please.
Juan Jiménez Rodríguez, usted prenda su dispositivo y díganos su nombre.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
My name is Juan Jimenez Rodriguez.
Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No.
All right, good morning to you. Purposes of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Jimenez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Amarion Griffin, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. I don't see you on the docket today.
When I put the, no.
You're supposed to be downstairs in 220. In the informal hearing, 220. What's the Zoom ID for 220? All right, give me a second, please.
All right.
On the iPhone, good morning to you. Start your camera, state your name, and unmute yourself. Start your camera and state your name, please. I just let you in the room. iPhone. Good morning to you, sir. Buenos dias.
La persona que acabo de dejar entrar a la sala, por favor, díganos su nombre, prenda su micrófono, díganos su nombre.
Julio César Nieto.
Julio César Nieto.
Okay, Julio Nieto.
Nieto.
Tara, he's at the last name, one, he's supposed to be 130.
Oh.
I
see him, Your Honor. Thank you so much. I see him.
220 is the courtroom. Let them know that he's here, he's been here this morning.
A las 8 no te aquí. Y yo me encuentro con un pestaño por ahí.
Let's see if there's something on the website that says I'm this young lady's license. I'll look up. Run that license. Zoom here, so 220. if you go on the website, Mr. Griffin, 36th District Court, and hit join Zoom hearing. But if you join Zoom, go on the website to 36th District Court, it says join Zoom hearings. You'll just go to courtroom 220.
Okay.
It says 220 informal hearings, and it says join Zoom hearing. I wish I can give you the Zoom ID. Is that on there? But that, yeah, they have every court. If it's two. Let's see. Oh, they don't have the informal hearings. All right, you see it on the website?
No, I ain't go to it yet.
All right, go to 36th District Court website. On the first page, it should say, on the left side, it say join Zoom hearings.
Right here.
Yeah, I see it now.
All right, and then you join 220. That's where your informal hearing is. You should be fine. They just really started, I'm sure.
0220.
Okay.
Is it?
All right, thank you.
It's 360-220-0000.
No, it's the 360-360-022.
All right, he's gone now. So let's write that on here. And then what about 218 is probably the same thing?
Yeah, she said she gonna send me a complaint.
All right. All right. All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Jimenez Rodriguez. I'll give you an opportunity, sir. Let's do this. Let's go back on the record. Let's pass that. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Cunez. Mr. Cunez, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver para que conste en el acta el caso del señor Funes. Señor Funes, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado que desea ser su representado.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea of blocking traffic for the prohibited left turn matter and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere adherirse al acuerdo de resolución de la fiscalía, que es enmendar la infracción de hacer una vuelta a la izquierda que estaba prohibida por el enmendado de impedir el tránsito, y desea adherirse y hacer las horas de servicio comunitario.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿quiere tomar ese acuerdo que le ofrecieron?
Sí, señoría.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, do you stipulate on behalf of your client that the face of the ticket is an active factual basis for that response, please, counsel?
Haga las estipulaciones, señor Berry, por favor, las estipulaciones para establecer las bases de fundamento para la emisión del ticket.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulado, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y hace usted la estipulación de causa probable para el desestimamiento del resto de las infracciones.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, estipulación hecha.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs I'll allow him to do 6 hours of community service.
Está bien, yo voy a encontrar entonces a su cliente responsable de la infracción enmendada de impedir el tránsito y para la misma voy a establecer 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Señor, ¿ya tiene usted el número donde tiene que llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria para ver cómo va a ser las horas?
Sí, señoría.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your number in 9092?
Señor, ¿y su número de teléfono termina en los números 9092?
Sí, señoría.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. And if the hours are complete, by December 17th at 8:25, we'll close that matter out. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Entonces, por favor, llame esta misma tarde, señor, al señor Phillips para establecer cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser estas horas, las cuales va a tener tiene que tener listas para el 17 de diciembre y ese día se vuelve a conectar a las 8:25 y al constatar que las ha cumplido se le cerrará su caso.
A las 8:25 de la mañana, ¿verdad?
8:25 morning, right?
In the morning on December the 17th.
En la mañana del 17 de diciembre.
Ok, señoría.
Ok, Your Honor.
Great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Señor, que tenga muy buena suerte y que tenga excelente día.
Gracias.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Kevin Manuel Gonzalez, case number SB 181-25531. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning.
Oh. ¿Necesita intérprete?
Sí, por favor.
Yes, this is for Mr. Pabon, Your Honor.
Yes.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Kevin Manuel Pabón González, número de caso SP 18125531. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Buenos días, su señoría. Mi nombre es Kevin Pavón González.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Kevin Pabon González.
All right.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Y soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado, su señoría.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for arraignment, purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Buenos días, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener su lectura de cargos. ¿Qué nos dice usted, abogado? Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, su señoría, renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y guardamos silencio.
Honor, a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Pavon, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have absolute right to a trial.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0. Señor Pavón, usted va a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que hable con su abogado. Él le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución actualizada. Y tenga en mente que si no le gusta la oferta de resolución, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio.
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Así que acepte y pase esa sala y déjenos saber cuando usted regrese qué es lo que quiere hacer.
Okay.
Okay? Your Honor, for Mr. Nieto Para, for 1:30, he's going to be heard at 1:30 then?
No, he's on the list twice. He's on at 8:30. He's on the
Oh,
radio
okay,
too.
thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Jimenez. Mr. Jimenez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Está bien, volvamos. Oh, sorry.
I don't think he needs an
No, no.
interpreter.
He needs interpreter? No.
He didn't need an interpreter.
Okay, sorry.
Your Honor, we were requesting that the matter be transferred to his alphabet judge.
Okay, I'm going to send you to Judge Larry Williams, Mr. Jimenez, on December the 10th at 8:35. Judge Williams' Zoom ID is 360-332-0000. Okay, Mr. Jimenez?
Yep.
If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Likewise.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Francisco Javier Garcia Espina. Case number SB 1799837, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1799841, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Francisco García Espina. Número de caso SP-179-9837, cargos 1, 2 y 3, y SP-179-9841, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant Garcia Espina, please state your name for the record.
Sherika Harris, representando al señor García Espina. Por favor, señor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta. Por
Francisco
favor, señor.
Javier García Espina.
Francisco Javier García Espina.
Hey, it's date and time set for a pre-trial. Good morning to you. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated on. Keep in mind, you don't like you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor, hoy es el día y la hora establecido para su consulta previa al juicio. La señora Harris va a buscarle una oferta de resolución con el fiscal. Y por favor, díganos qué desea usted hacer una vez que vuelvan a la sala con esa resolución. Puede, por favor, unirse a la sala de consulta privada.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada y déjenos saber lo que quiere hacer una vez que salga de nuevo. Por favor, acepte la invitación, señor. Is he there, Your Honor?
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan? What to do?
Translation.
Así que vamos a regresar ahora con el caso del señor Pavón, Your Honor.
Yes, Pavón González.
Ajá, Pavón González. Le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta, señor. Dígame, ¿qué han decidido hacer?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and we would seek dismissal.
Su señoría, mi cliente me ha podido mostrar comprobante de seguro de vehículo que está válido y vigente. Por esa razón pedimos que el caso quede desestimado.
Case dismissed, Mr. Gonzalez. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Su caso ha quedado desestimado, señor González. Le deseamos buena suerte y buen día a usted. Se puede desconectar.
Muchas gracias y buen día para todos.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm wishing everyone there a good day. Y a usted también.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Estrada Martinez, case number SB 1803050, count 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus José Estrada Martínez. Números de caso SP118030502 y SP18030501. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Mi nombre es José Alberto Estrada Martínez.
My name is Jose Estrada Martinez.
Elwood Esberry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Y está hablando el abogado Elwood Elberry, representando al acusado, su señoría.
All right, good morning to you, sir. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'll give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to trial.
Así que, señor, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted. Le voy a dar una fianza de $0. Pase ahora a una sala privada de consulta virtualmente para que pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución que se le propone a usted. Sépase que si no le gusta esa oferta de resolución, usted siempre tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora donde dice unirse o join.
Ok. No, no lo encuentro.
I don't see where the invitation is to join.
Oh,
Unirse. Okay.
He's in there, I think.
Thank
He's
you.
in. Pass the matter.
Okay.
Franklin bids. Bids. That's the Zoom. Don't let that person in. Is that personal?
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
Somebody is a Zoom bomb going up and on, so we're just monitoring who's coming in and
It's gotta be 3. The one I see. This the one I always see. Okay. This might be a really good talk for Spanish person. Spanish guy. Okay. Talk, it's good. Good. 2866. And you'll follow the prompts. Enter judge. Enter judge meet 99. Right. It's 360 434 0 0 0 0. See you tomorrow on the 3rd. Area code 921 360 434 0 0 0. After you will follow the prompts.
Permite.
Probably just kind of
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Estrada Martinez. Mr. Estrada Martinez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan? Want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Estrada Martínez. Señor Estrada Martínez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the disregarding a red signal, the other matter to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente se va a aprovechar de la oferta de resolución que le ha propuesto la fiscalía. Es decir, él se va a declarar al cargo de que estaba bloqueando tránsito. Ese cargo reemplaza el cargo original de que había desobedecido la señal roja y el cargo de no tener licencia de conducir queda desestimado.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Estrada?
¿Y usted quiere aceptar esa oferta, señor Estrada?
Sí.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on behalf of your client.
Y puede usted estipular que podemos depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer un fundamento en los hechos para la declaración de su cliente.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipuló su señoría, de acuerdo.
stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
¿Y puede usted estipular que hay causa razonable para desestimar el otro caso?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, así lo estipulo.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs, allowed to do 6 hours of community service.
Muy bien, pues encuentro que su cliente sí es responsable para el cargo de que estaba bloqueando el tráfico. En vez de tener que pagar costos y multas, le voy a pedir que le haga 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
6 hours of community service, sir. Did you have this number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Así que son 6 horas de servicio comunitario, señor, que usted va a hacer. ¿Ya tiene usted el número del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit?
¿Fue el que me aprobó?
Is it the one that you provided to me?
879-2155.
Es el número 879-2155.
¿Me lo pueden repetir una vez más, por
Yeah,
favor?
could you repeat it, please?
313-879-2155.
313-879-2155.
Sí, lo tengo.
Yes, I've got it.
All right. Is your best number to reach you at ending 9533?
Y dígame, señor, el mejor número de teléfono para ponernos en contacto con usted termina con los números 9533.
No, I'm sorry,
No.
9588.
9588, disculpe, 9588.
Sí, es 9588.
Yes, 9588.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. If the hours are complete, then we'll close the matter out. If you don't have any further questions, have them complete by December 17th.
Muy bien, entonces llame ese número de teléfono esta misma tarde, pida hablar con el señor Phillips y él le va a dejar saber las horas y dónde usted va a trabajar. Si usted termina y cumple con esas horas, el caso va a quedar cerrado cuando las haya cumplido. Yo le voy a dar a usted hasta el 17 de diciembre para alcanzar a cumplir esas horas de servicio comunitario.
Muy bien.
Very good.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Así que tenga usted muy buen día, señor, y le deseamos mucha suerte también.
Igualmente. Muchas gracias. Buen día.
Thank you so very much. Have a pleasant day. Your Honor, Interpreter Villarreal needs to check into another courtroom with your permission.
You may.
Thank you.
And I'm going to take a few minute recess. Give me a few minutes. I'll be back.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
What is in recess?
Morning, man.
I know how to work in there, but it's just different.
Okay,
Wait.
let's go call the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus, Guerrero Pacheco Santiago, case number SP 18114-351. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Checo.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus el señor Pacheco Santiago. Usted, señor Pacheco Santiago, diga su nombre completo. Está hablando el abogado para usted, el señor Berry.
Me llamo Rogelio Pacheco Santiago.
My name is Rogelio Pacheco Santiago.
All right.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente renuncia a que le tengan que leer los cargos y va a guardar silencio.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf to give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Santiago, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0. Pase ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución actualizada y tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta, siempre tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora y pase a la sala privada de consulta, por favor.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Garrison. Ms. Garrison, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Mr. Patel, good morning to you. Can you state your name? Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 from Ms. Garrison. Ms. Garrison, would you please state your name for the record?
Shanayla Garrison.
All right. Today is the date and time set for rain. We are ready to arraign her. Ms. Garrison, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Patel. How was that conversation?
It was actually what I needed, honestly, for my future plans and what I'm trying to do.
Okay. And is that a possibility? I know that you're planning on a move. Is there going to be any interference with that and her being able to participate in the program?
No, Your Honor. We've had several clients who are in that kind of limbo across state lines. It will not be a problem for her to participate. We've discussed with her the issues with particular references or referrals, partners that we would normally do, and she would have to seek them on her own. But she's able and interested in doing that, as well as whatever we can provide, remotely, as in terms of which resource partners to engage with down there.
Okay, Ms. Garrison, is that a firm thing that you are going to relocate, or is that just something that you can?
I have to. My last day of my job is December 4th. I did also get all of my insurance, my registration, my license, and all that together. I have that with me as well. I'm trying to get all of this done as soon as possible so that I can enlist in the Navy. So I will be doing the Navy process when I get to Texas. I can't do it until I clear up all my tickets. So. Very
well. I congratulate you on that. That's the Navy's big time. That's a very good career path. I want to say I did come down on you a little bit hard earlier, and that was that we can't get to this stop the revolving door. I do understand that your situation is a little more complex. I did look at the tickets, and I see that it's nothing really that is, just
it's not having my proper paperwork.
Yeah, it's paperwork and document tickets, and that does look at, that's a lot different than somebody that's driving 21 or 30 miles an hour over the speed limit and continues to run red lights and still doesn't have a driver's license. It's also want to say to you that I always give a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King, that Dr. Martin Luther King says, the true test of a man is not where he stands or she stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where he or she stands in the times of challenges and controversy. Obviously, you're in a controversial situation, probably the worst kind of situation that you could be in at this young age. But it seems to me that you've already persevered and planned and looked forward and found yourself a career path that you know that is going to, first of all, give you probably the best training in the world, and it's going to put you on a path to whatever you want to do in life. If you can get through those boot camps and those type of things, it's nothing that you can't accomplish in life. You know what I'm saying? And at your young age, I'm sure that we're going to look at you, that you have a lot to accomplish. You all right? So I always say the light may not be shining that bright for you, but when you persevere and you put determination and things and all that behind it, the light will get brighter. I think it's already getting brighter for you. And I know it's going to shine very, very bright. We expect a lot of good things from you. And hopefully, as you travel the world and you get knowledge and training and all that, you don't go and move somewhere permanently. You bring that knowledge and all of that training back to the city of Detroit. Hopefully you do that. And hopefully the city of Detroit provides a place for you to do that, that you'll want to come back to the city of Detroit because things are so good here, and that we're on that path as well. So those both things I know have to happen. You're going to find the place that's best for you in life, but hopefully that place is right back here in the city of Detroit. All right?
Thank you.
All right. So what are we doing, Mr. Patel?
With respect to the arraignments, we're asking that the court enter that the defendant will stand mute. Oh,
already arraigned her. She's already got all the warrants recalled,
okay.
And we're looking for a date now.
1/27/26.
All right. So how is that going to affect your move, ma'am? January 27th of 2026. You need to have these resolved sooner rather than later, right?
Yeah. So I actually set to leave on the 4th of December. So that's another thing that I was asking them. Am I able to still handle all the court issues after my move?
Now, are you moving? Are you getting accepted into the Navy on the 4th, or you're just moving in preparation?
I'm moving in preparation on the 4th. I can't get accepted to the Navy, or well, when I talk to recruiters, I have to first clear up all of my ticket stuff now. So that's how I'm trying to get all this and situated, and then go back to the recruiter and start the process for it.
Your Honor, I can provide a little color here. She's leaving her situation here, going to join with her mother, who's she's going to take care of post hospital procedure. And during that time that she's over there, she's going to complete the action plan and engage in services down there while she awaits to clear up her tickets here so that she can then join the Navy through the recruitment office down there.
Okay.
So this is a temporary move, but for the purposes of taking care of a family member.
Very well, and we'll be praying for your mother's return to good health as well too. So Mr. Patel, you already know what I want, is I want this to be sooner rather than later. I'll give you the pretrial date of January 27, 2026 at 8:30. But Mr. Patel can come in and he'll advise you if things move quicker, which I hope they will. Then Mr. Patel knows how to get in front of the court and let us know what is necessary from the court. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. I wanted to advise the court, she also has 3 or 4 matters scheduled, 3 matters scheduled for 12/12. If we can have those 3 put onto the same 127 docket.
Every matter is going to be put onto this 127.
Okay.
All right. All right. I wish you the best of luck, Ms. Garrison, and we will be seeing you soon. And like I say, I hope the light is shining brighter every time we see each other. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And best of luck to your mom. So tell her we said hi.
I will.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else, Mr. Patel?
Nothing else, Your Honor.
All right. If it's nothing further, everybody have a very good rest of your day. Happy holidays to you, and best of luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I have an interesting situation. As Mr. Berry was leaving the breakout room, Mr. Pacheco Santiago spoke up and said he wants to take responsibility for Pacheco Almaraz because he says he was the one who was driving.
All right. Well, Mr. Berry has Pacheco Alvarez. I was wondering if they were related or some kind of way. Hijazi needs to be brought in on that if that is the case. And again, that has nothing to do with Pacheco Alvarez because Pacheco Alvarez is being charged with allowing someone to drive the vehicle without his. So Pacheco Alvarez still has to answer to whether he did that or not.
Señor, sépase que Pacheco Alvarez aún tiene que estar presente para el caso de que él le permitió a una persona sin licencia a conducir.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia Espina. Mr. Espina, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste con el caso del señor García Espiña. Señor García Espiña, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, abogada que desea ser su representado.
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation.
Su señoría, mi cliente desea tomar la recomendación y dar una declaración en el día de hoy.
I see improper plates and amended count of blocking traffic, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Entonces, es placas inapropiadas y que impidió el tránsito, sí, su señoría.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿eso es lo que usted desea hacer? ¿Tomar este acuerdo que le han ofrecido?
Sí, eso es lo que deseo hacer.
Yes, that's what I want to do.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede subir su mano, levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Usted afirma o jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
Sí, lo juro.
Yes, I swear.
You can put your hand down.
¿Puede bajar su mano?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para estos delitos podría ser de 93 días de cárcel o hasta $500 de multa?
Sí, lo entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio?
Sí, también lo entiendo.
Yes, I also understand.
Ms. Harris went over the other advice or rights in the breakout room.
Y mientras que estaban en la sala de consulta privada, su abogada, la señora Harris, le explicó todo el resto de sus derechos, ¿correcto?
Sí, correcto.
Yes, correct.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí, los entendí.
Yes, I did.
All right, and you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y usted tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No, no.
No, no.
And you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo de resolución que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos.
Ok, ok.
Ok, ok.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya se ha establecido aquí en el acta, ¿alguien más le ofreció alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
And let me draw your attention back to September the 28th, 2025, around 1:51 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Tyerman and Abington. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar la atención al lugar, al día y a la fecha de los hechos que fue el 28 de septiembre de 2025 a la 1:51 de la tarde en las inmediaciones de la calle Times y Temington, en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora y en ese lugar lo paró usted un oficial de policía.
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba manejando un vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle?
¿Y había algo errado en las placas de ese vehículo?
Sí, correcto.
Yes, correct.
And what was wrong with it?
¿Qué estaba malo?
Creo que el seguro tenía las placas indebidas.
I think that the insurance have the improper plates.
No. You think that insurance has the improper plates? Was that the correct plate on the vehicle?
Señor, que el seguro mostraba las placas inapropiadas. Las placas que tenía ese vehículo eran las placas apropiadas para ese vehículo. Eran las placas de ese vehículo.
Bueno, eran las placas que tenía el vehículo.
Were those were the plates that the vehicle had.
Ms. Harris?
Well, if there was no insurance, the plates were not proper.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
All right. We're going to have to pass the matter.
Vamos a tener que pasar el caso.
Is that your car? Let's go back on the record, Mr. Garcia. Was that your car?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el señor García Espina. Señor García, ¿ese era su carro?
No, no.
No, no.
Yeah, if there was no insurance, then the plates were not proper.
Él no tenía seguro y las placas eran las placas inapropiadas.
Sí, exactamente, eran placas inapropiadas.
Yeah, that's exactly. They were improper plates.
I don't know if that's the case. If there's no insurance, the plates are not proper.
Yo no sé si el caso de que no tenga, le pueden poner que no tiene seguro porque las placas son inapropiadas.
Technically, Your Honor, you can't drive and operate because your plates are subject to being canceled if you don't have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Su señoría, porque usted no puede tener y no puede operar un carro si, como las placas, si no tiene el debido seguro en dicho vehículo.
Why isn't he just pleading to the allowing?
¿Y por qué no puede declararse de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara?
If that's what the court prefers, that's fine. I just went off the offer that was provided by the city attorney.
Si eso es lo que la corte sugiere, yo solamente seguí la oferta dada por la fiscalía.
All right, did you have a valid driver's license on that day, sir?
Señor, ¿usted tiene una licencia de conducir válida?
Ese día.
Ese día.
No, ese día no.
No, no that day.
I'm gonna find him guilty of the amended count of allowing, order him to do 12 hours community service.
Yo lo voy a encontrar entonces culpable del cargo enmendado de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara y le voy a imponer 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
I'll dismiss upon completion.
Y voy a desestimarlo después de que se completen las mismas.
Ok.
Did you run the stop sign that day, sir?
Está bien. Y señor, ¿y usted no hizo, desobedeció una señalización de pare ese
Your Honor,
día?
we stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of a factual basis.
Su señoría, nosotros estipulamos para las bases de hechos, para establecer las bases de fundamento.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll find the client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs of 6 hours of community service for a total of 18
Está
hours.
bien, entonces, en base a eso, yo voy a encontrar a su cliente responsable de estar impidiendo el tránsito, para lo cual voy a imponer 6 horas más de servicio comunitario para un total de 18.
Is the best number to reach you at the last 49533, sir?
Señor, el número de teléfono para comunicarnos con usted termina en 9533.
Sí, es correcto.
Yeah, that's correct.
All right, do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Está bien, señor. ¿Y tiene el número para comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitaria?
Sí, sí lo tengo.
Yes, I have it.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'll give you until December 17th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Yo le voy a dar hasta el día 17 de diciembre para que complete las horas. Por favor, llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para establecer cómo, cuándo y dónde las va a hacer. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, que tenga muy buen día.
Ok, igualmente, gracias.
Ok, same to you. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Que tenga
You too.
excelente día, señor.
You too, thank you.
Usted también, gracias. YouTube.
This is the city of Detroit versus Brandon Gomez Espinosa. Case number U72255-125. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay.
You
You don't need interpreter?
No, thank you. No, gracias.
Okay, gracias.
Appearance for the record, please.
Terica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Brandon Gomez Espinosa.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Espinosa, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right, John.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Santiago. Mr. Santiago, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Así que ahora volvemos al caso del señor Rogelio Pacheco Santiago. Señor Santiago, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid international license and we would seek dismissal.
Su señoría, mi cliente me ha mostrado a mí una licencia internacional que está vigente. Por esa razón, le pedimos a la Corte una desestimación del caso.
Now, that may be an issue if you let your buddy know that your license is, international license is valid, that may help your buddy out. But other than that, he's got to deal with this, and you can let him know that. I'm going to dismiss the case, provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Vamos a desestimar el caso suyo por tener documentación válida. Usted déjele saber al otro señor que bregamos con el caso de él cuando sea el turno del caso de él, el día del caso de él. Si no tiene alguna otra pregunta, le deseamos buen día y buena suerte.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right.
Ya se puede desconectar.
Sí, gracias.
Yes, thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Jonathan Vargas Maglione, case number SP 1806312, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
¿Te llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit? Oh, sorry, Emma.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit. Do you need interpreter, sir?
Oh, no, no, thank you.
Okay.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Jonathan Vargas Magallon.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for arraignment for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Maglione, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room, let us know what you wanna do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. Have you ever get Gibson's file? He's gone.
Oh, he is.
He's gone.
They're probably going to they know me. You get in the date, Mr. Gibson?
No, I didn't. So I'm supposed to do the next weekend.
Oh, okay. It'll probably be up here. That's better. So that was 11/26, right?
11/26.
Hello, Your Honor.
Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gomez Espinoza. Mr. Espinoza, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, it's my understanding my client is waiving his right to trial and entering a plea Also, the amended count of disorderly conduct with the standard conditions that go along with a case such as this one.
Okay, you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
All right. It's going to be 12 hours of community service. It's going to be misdemeanor morality crimes. Going to be HIV/STD testing.
Okay.
Results will be private to you. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I swear.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not? Did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
What kind of questions do you have? Or
My bad, can you repeat?
Are you just on autopilot saying yes, yes, yes?
Yeah, my bad. I can hear you.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't. My bad.
Do you know if you're taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to October 2nd, 2025, around 8:05 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Michigan and Proctor. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
Did you do something to cause a police presence?
Yes, Your Honor.
And would you agree that that police presence disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community?
Disturb the community?
That police presence disturbing that quiet nature of that community?
No, Your Honor.
You don't think so?
No.
So you think if somebody did something on your block or where you are and caused all these police officers to come around, you don't think that disturbed that area?
Oh, yeah, yes, definitely. My bad. I didn't understand your question. Sorry.
All right, very well. It definitely disturbed the area, didn't it?
Yes, definitely.
You satisfied, Counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct. Order 12 hours of community service, misdemeanor morality class, HIV/STD testing results will be private to him. Is this 0555 your best number to reach you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes.
All right, call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set those things up, get those things complete by December the 17th, and we will close the matter out. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Appreciate it. Thank you. You too.
Well, this is the city of Detroit versus Giannis Gamel Tatati. Case number SB 1802766, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yeah, how you doing, Your Honor?
How are you? Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, sir.
State your name. Give me the correct pronunciation of your name and turn your camera on, please.
Oh, I got you. Yunus Gamal Fatahi.
All right. Yunus Gamal Fatani. Ms. Harris, appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Ms. Fatani. Ms. Harris is going to, for purposes of arraignment, I'm enter not guilty plea on this behalf, give him a $0 fine. Ms. Harris is going to give you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Join the room, please.
All right.
Let's pass the map. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Vargas. Mr. Vargas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to open alcohol as a passenger and the remaining matters to be dismissed. His number is in the chat. He stands ready to do community service.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Turn your camera on, please. Raise your right hand, please. Oh, I can't see.
Oh, I need to turn on the settings for you. 1 sec. Okay. Hello?
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 3rd, 2025, around 3:50 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and John Cronk. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Mr. Berry, I don't think you had the opportunity to read the notes on this. It indicates that your client was asleep at the wheel, vehicle blocking lane of traffic and crosswalk, open alcohol, open shooter of Don Julio in driver's door, and open Mondeo can on floor of passenger seat. So there may be something more coming after this.
Perhaps.
You want to re-engage your client and talk to him?
I would, Your Honor.
All right. I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room, Mr. Vargas. I'll send
Okay.
Mr. Berry a copy of the ticket. Join the room, rejoin the room, and have another conversation with Mr. Berry. Did we lose him? No, he's gotta go. Okay. There we go. Join the room, please. All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Fahadi. Mr. Fahadi, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pretrial date to stay on the community court docket. My client wishes to gather some documents that might assist in getting resolution.
How long is it gonna take him?
If I can get 2 weeks, that'll be good, Your Honor.
Come back December 3rd at 8:30.
All right, thank you so much.
Pre-trial. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right.
This is the city of Detroit versus Christina Alexis Lampkins, case number 19-4613951. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lampkin. Please state your name for the record.
Christina Lampkin.
All right.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Ms. Lampkin. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
said maybe it might be.
Francis. Mr. Mantilla, buenos dias. Do you need an interpreter?
Emma.
Buenos días, señor. ¿Necesita intérprete?
Mantilla.
Señor Montilla, ¿necesita intérprete? Abra su micrófono, por favor, y díganos.
Sí, por favor, necesito intérprete.
Yes, please, I need interpreter.
Okay, and I know Mr. Julio Neto, there needs an interpreter as well.
Yes.
All right. Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Lampkin, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, if I'm reading the recommendation correctly, it appears it's a recommendation to dismiss.
Yes, we have to make sure you're reading it correctly.
That would be appreciated, please and thank you.
You
But
want
I
to
believe
talk?
that is correct. Well, I'm looking at the recommendation, Your Honor. It has a line through it and it's circled the 19. So I'm guessing it's being dismissed because it is a 2019 matter. But I can confirm that if the court would like.
I don't see the recommendation. Yeah, could you just let Ms. Horn know? I don't have a ticket in here. Officer Christopher Centron allegedly.
If the court would like to wait a moment, I did send a message to Ms. Horn.
Okay. Let's pass the matter momentarily. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Jesus Mantilla. SP 8. Hold on. Who's making all the notes? Let's call the City of Detroit versus Jesus Mantilla. Case number SP 1803310, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 180449991. Appearance for the record, please.
Vamos a llamar al caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Jesús Montilla, número de caso SP-180-3310, cargos 1, 2 y 3, y SP-180-44991. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Okay.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Montilla, please state your name for the record.
Ok, Sherika Harris representando al señor Montilla. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Jesús Alexander Montilla Nieto.
Jesús Alexander Montilla Nieto.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Day of date and time set for arraignment. Purpose of arraignment, Ms. Harris.
Está bien, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora agendado para su lectura de cargos. Señora abogada, ¿cómo desea proseguir?
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente desea permanecer en silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Montillo, join the breakout room. Speak to Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
Señor Montilla Nieto, entonces mi cliente, voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en nombre de su cliente y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Por favor, señor Montilla, vaya a la sala de consulta privada, su abogada le dará una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía y sepa y entienda que si no le gusta tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación a ir a la sala de consulta privada número 3.
Join the room, please.
Por favor, únase a la sala privada número 3. Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Vargas. Mr. Vargas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Has anything changed, Mr. Berry?
No, Your Honor, we'd like to go forward with the deal.
Okay. Did we already swear him in?
Yeah.
Let me read. Did you raise your right hand? Swear you swear or affirm to the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Did we already read him his advice or rights, Ms. Williams Law?
On the record?
On the record?
Do it again, Judge. I don't.
Did we read him his advice or rights?
I didn't make the note. So I don't think so.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 3rd, 2025. I did all this in the area of, in the city of Detroit at 3:50 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and John Crump. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer, did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was it that Don Julio and the Modelo?
Yes.
Were those bottles open?
Yes.
Was it something in the containers?
No.
All right, we can't take the deal. Because it needs to be alcohol in the container of those bottles. If they're empty, they can't give you an open alcohol in a motor vehicle. So we gotta send him to his alphabet judge, because he needs a trial. So we have to get we have to accurate factual basis, and based on what you're saying to the court, there was no alcohol in there, then the officer, if you're right and he's wrong, then the officer should not have written open alcohol. It's the officer's burden to prove that there was alcohol in this container. It's not your burden. You don't have to do anything. So I can appoint you an attorney if you need me to, or I can send you over to your alphabet judge, which would be Judge Williams, and you can ask him for an attorney if you need one. But we couldn't. Go ahead.
Yeah, sure.
You want an appointed attorney?
No, the second one.
Send you to your alphabet judge, and you can ask Judge Williams to appoint you an attorney?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna mark need appointed attorney. And they can explain to you if you have any questions. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Oh, you said phone number?
Yes, from you.
313-290-7514.
All right, I'm gonna send you to your alphabet judge, Judge Williams, on December the 10th, 2025 at 8:35. I'm also marking the file needs appointed attorney. So if you don't answer the calls you don't recognize, one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by December the 10th, then we'll get one appointed. They'll ask Judge Williams to appoint you one, okay?
Okay. Would that also be through Zoom?
It'll be through Zoom. The Zoom ID is 360-332-0000.
Could you repeat that, please?
360-332-0000.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you, you too, sir.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Julio Nieto Parra, case number SP181-05681, SP181-05673, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, may I have that second number again? SP8105.
3, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Thank you, Your Honor. Se llama el caso ahora de la ciudad de Detroit versus Julio Nieto Parra. Números de caso SP18105681 y SP81100573. Cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Nieto Parra.
Soy Elwood S. Berry representando al acusado. Usted, señor Nieto Parra, díganos su nombre completo, por favor. Señor Nieto, prenda el micrófono. Turn on your mic.
Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Julio César Nieto Parra.
Hello and good morning. My name is Julio Cesar Nieto Para.
Purposes of arraignment, good morning to you, sir.
Buenos días usted, señor abogado, para el propósito de lectura de cargos que nos dice usted.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. There are 4 cases I called into the record.
Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente, darle una fianza de $0. Tiene 4 casos que ya yo dije en el acta.
Improper lane use, driving while license never acquired, unregistered, untitled, and no insurance misdemeanor.
Y estos son los cargos que tiene él: que usó un carril de tráfico de una manera incorrecta, de nunca haber obtenido una licencia de conducir, de no tener el título de vehículo y de estar manejando sin tener seguro de vehículo, lo cual es un delito menor.
Mr. Nieto, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have absolute right to withdraw.
Señor Nieto, sépase que el señor Berry va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Acepte la invitación para pasar a una sala privada de consulta. Déjenos saber lo que usted quiera hacer cuando regrese. Toque donde dice unirse o join.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lampkins. I will take that as a dismissal.
That is correct, Your Honor, and I did confirm that with Ms. Horn.
I see what you're talking about. Ms. Lampkins, I'm going to dismiss the case per city attorney, and I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You're going to have to pay the $45 reinstatement fee. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best and have a very good rest of your day.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mantilla. Mr. Mantilla, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Montilla. Señor Montilla, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada. Señora abogada, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, he was able to present valid documentation.
Su señoría, él presentó toda la documentación válida.
All right, case is dismissed, sir. Provide valid documentation. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor, todos sus cargos, todo su caso con todos sus cargos han sido desestimados por haber presentado la documentación requerida. Que tenga muy buen día, ya se puede retirar.
You're free to leave.
Señor Montilla, ya se puede retirar. Ya se puede retirar, su caso queda desestimado porque presentó los documentos.
Gracias,
Okay,
feliz
thank
día.
you very much. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, everybody.
All right. Okay, let's wait on Mr. Berry, and that will conclude it. So I was informed that the beginning of the year we're going to move courtrooms. Will be 5:35. Good morning. Beginning of the year.
me 1 second, Judge, if we can, before I go to next.
I was just telling the prosecutor that yesterday. I said it's a conflict of interest. I have to fight for my client. They want me to go to battle. Then I come to, judge the prosecutor. You have to be realistic. So that I kind of pick and choose wisely because it could be a conflict there the way I practice.
No, it's not necessarily a conflict. It's just that, like you said, they want you. They got unrealistic expectations.
Well, so if I let them know ahead of time. So it's like I don't want the case. Shoot 5 people on
that doesn't
you're gonna get real bad.
That doesn't matter. They're still gonna want unrealistic expectations.
That's what kills.
Because they're starving for a lawyer, and then they think because you paid them some money
that you could just snap your fingers.
That you can snap your fingers. They think that's how it works. It's TV and stuff.
Yeah, one guy went behind my back at the last minute. They based on the plea deal. Prosecutor said he shouldn't even got the one that I got. Like I'm like, you gonna try to nobody? He's gonna pay somebody the day before. So, but anyway, let me go to information. I'll come back.
All right, hold on here.
The number. Well, I can find them. I'll be all right.
She's about to give it to you.
You have it.
Yeah. This is the number to the courtroom where they do the video filming and arraignments. And this is the criminal desk where you can call and ask them to see if you're gonna be on the 130 dollars.
Oh, shoot, I'll take that. Sure. Thank you.
You might need to call. Did you call DDC?
Yes, I confirmed that he was there. They didn't say anything about it. Exactly.
All right.
Come on.
See if they, hopefully they'll answer the phone. That should be the best thing.
Thank you. Beginning of the year, we're going upstairs to courtroom 535.
That was Judge Sharp right now, right?
Yeah.
Where she was.
No, we're going to keep the traffic docket. She's just going to. They're just going to switch our
courtrooms. Okay, that makes
have
sense.
all the landlord-tenant dockets on
The same floor. I guess that makes sense. You say it's top of the year? Top of the year?
First of the year.
Sounds good. I'll come back up.
All right,
I'm gonna step out for 1 second.
Well, it's not big, but it's big. Walk in all the files behind.
You got Cadillac.
Give me the Cadillac.
Back, Judge, did you say the courtroom's moving or did I come in on something? Y'all muted me. Mute the courtroom.
I think you muted everybody.
Courtroom is moving to courtroom 535 at the beginning of the year.
434 is moving to 535?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It sounds like an upgrade, right?
I don't know. I was pretty comfortable here.
No, Miss Masters, how's that courtroom? You familiar with it?
I mean, that's a nice courtroom, because when you walk in you know how when we come in the back door is bigger, it's like more room, and then the file cabinets is not right there, it's like back here.
535, all right. Gotta go.
She didn't say nothing about me.
I'm sure they got you said that properly.
I'll be all tight.
No, I think it's a bigger desk too. I hope so.
Did they say why?
They want the landlord tenants on one floor, I guess, to kind of clear up the issues with the attorneys. I don't know how they kind of cry about.
I like the idea of it being on the same floor as the chambers.
Well, I won't have my little exercise taking my steps anymore either. I might have steps up and down now, all the way from 5 to.
There you go. Not me though. I'm gonna take the elevator.
So then the attorneys don't have to run around for 5.
No, 4 to 4.
Oh, and then you got legal aid, not legal aid, lakeshore services. He was going to landlord tenant. I was kind of nervous. Like, where we go?
So now that the Zoom ID has to change too.
Yeah, everything's gonna change. I don't know. He said it's gonna be set up. They're gonna have it set up over the holiday to accommodate us. That's it.
See how long it take me to stop zooming in the landlord tenants courtroom.
It's beyond my control, so.
Bed bugs together. No, I'm just joking.
It's happy. No, you weren't. You wasn't playing at all.
They do be having that, and they be bringing them to court, don't they?
Yes, they do.
They do. Like, Judge, this is in my apartment. They be holding them up.
And they hold them?
Yeah, they bring them in and show proof. They been stuff.
Yeah, but who's to say that they didn't have the bed bugs before?
I'm
What is
right. You know, they just do that just to not people is.
Because
Remember when we went to a hotel what's that where Dow Chemical is, Midland, Michigan, for a soccer tournament, and they had, I didn't see one in our room, but they had bed bugs, and one of the parents complained. They all posted in the hotel. It was a nice hotel. Kyle's iPhone.
Yes.
Morning to you. What is what's your full name?
It's Io Antoine Logan.
And what brings you in here today?
Because I thought that I had court today with you.
Well, why are you so late?
Because I'm a dialysis patient. I just came home from dialysis. Nope.
Spell your first name, please.
Kyle.
Antoine. Do you have a case number?
SP 1774-2021.
Two.
I mean 12-4.
Kyle Antoine Logan is scheduled for 12-4.
Anything else? Nobody called? Nobody answered?
Okay, it's not today.
No, December the 4th at 8:45.
You sure?
If you know you're gonna be late, you need to make a call and let us know.
Okay, because I'm a dialysis patient, so I go to dialysis Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Okay, so December the 4th, you shouldn't be late. That's a Thursday.
Okay, all right, thank you.
All right, have a good day, sir. Best of luck
You
to
too.
you. What did they say?
They didn't answer the phone, but when I went down there, they said they don't get the list at 2:30, so I called the BDC. They say that they haven't even had criminal charge or heard of anything violent from the detective yet. So that's now.
They haven't signed it.
They haven't even signed the warrant, correct? Or the detective hasn't even reached out for the warrant to be signed.
Now they have this new process that you have to go on Zoom, stuff like that.
They do that just to deter mess with our money, if you ask me. They know you guys don't feel like this. Nobody trying to do that here, you got no word. But it'll get a light or PR bond tomorrow, or whenever they do end up charging, if they do.
do you know this Zoom process? Have you done it before?
Yeah, so if I file it now, it's not gonna go through till after 5, because they changed that rule too. There's no reason for court.
Well, that's always been the rule. That hasn't changed.
Okay, well
The
then.
court rules say that if you read the court rules, it's because that's what the process is about. If the court is closed, and you obviously couldn't get anything anywhere. So but that's been always the rule.
What they changed, I guess, then is that everyone has to get challenged. I've had, since that rule was instituted, I maybe had 2, 3 that weren't, but pretty much 95% of them are challenged. And so they call in, take the calls, they tell me their position, and then we zoom in to whatever Zoom ID. I think it's actually a Zoom ID on the website now. Or we can use your Zoom ID, and then we would have the hearing.
No, I think it's a different Zoom ID.
It is. I've used that one, and I've also used like the judge's personal ID. So I've done it both ways. But there is an actual regular Zoom ID.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Nieto. Mr. Nieto, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Nieto. Señor Nieto, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame qué va a hacer su cliente.
Your Honor, my client is out of state for the next 5 weeks, and so he seeks to be transferred to his alphabet judge and pay a fine so that he can pay it online.
Su señoría, mi cliente se encuentra ahora fuera del estado, va a estar afuera del estado por unas 5 semanas. Él le gustaría pedir que pueda pagar multa, que lo manden ante otro juez en otra fecha, y él va a pagar la multa en línea.
All right, Mr. Nieto, I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, which is Judge Youngblood, on December the 15th, 2025 at 8:35.
December 15th, right, Your Honor? Sí, señor. Así que anote, por favor, lo vamos a mandar ante el juez Youngblood. La fecha va a ser el 15 de diciembre del 2025 a las 8:35 de la mañana. I don't see him on this. Oh, there he is on the screen. Prenda el micrófono, señor. Please turn on your mic, sir. Señor Nieto, prenda el micrófono, Mr. Nieto. Turn on your mic. Y ahora sí, lo van a mandar usted el día 15 de diciembre del 2025 ante el juez Youngblood. La fecha a las 8:35, la fecha es el 15 de diciembre a las 8:35.
Ah, ok, eso es correcto.
Oh, okay, that's right.
Her Zoom ID is 360-360-040340.
Anote, por favor, el número de Zoom para que pueda entrar Anote que el número para la plataforma de Zoom es 360. 360 0340. Repito, I'll repeat. 360 0340.
Okay.
Para la juez Youngblood, for Judge Youngblood. Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Y si no tiene algo adicional, señor, le deseo muchísima suerte y buen día.
Igualmente. Que
Same
pase
to you.
bonito día.
Have a lovely day.
All right, you as well.
Y usted también.
Hey, that will include the rest of the day here.
Así que con eso ya hemos incluido todo.